Hello students, and welcome to your Week 5 folder. This is your Week 5 overview for the Week 5 folder. You'll notice in the table in the middle, the objectives are listed for what we're going to be learning about. We're going to be continuing our knowledge on nuclear stability, but we're going to focus more on the actual technology and ways we can use types of radiation in order to harness energy and use that for technology. Then on the right of the table, you'll see the assignments listed. Now there is a little bit of a difference when it comes to Week 5 versus the weeks we've done before. Week 5 has technically 5 different graded assignments, 6 if you include the Week 5 optional honors assignment. However, the Week 5 report, Safety of Fission, Part 1 and Part 2 go together, and it's a way of helping you build your report. The important piece for that is doing Part 1. Part 2 is optional. It is not exempted, so it does count towards your grade. However, a lot of students would prefer just to do Part 1. So I leave it entirely up to students. The Week 5 report is worth 20 points for Part 1 and 10 points for Part 2. If you find you're overwhelmed for the week, you need less to do, you are more than welcome to only do the bolded assignments. That's part of your focused first list. However, you'll notice that the learning assignment is not included in that, so you're going to need to use the reading materials or watch some of the videos within the learning assignment without doing the questions in order to make sure you are learning the material before you're doing assignments. As you scroll down, the reading materials folder is below that. If I want to enter into that, I click on the Week 5 reading materials link. That brings me into my Week 5 reading materials folder. There's the need to know information from previous weeks. There's vocabulary words that will be attached. And then you have your sections of information that you can either read or listen to or both. It's up to you. To go back into the folder, you click on this top upper link, Week 5 Nuclear Fission and Promoting Safety. And that brings you back into Week 5. So you have your learning assignment, your create making a model assignment, there's a virtual field trip, and then there's the report. And again, the report has 2 parts to it. I do want students to do Part 1. However, Part 2, organizing your report, would be up to you. And that is still worth 10 points whether it's done or not. If you have any questions for me, make sure you reach out. Otherwise, go ahead and start accessing your reading materials and then do your Week 5 learning assignment.